Hey guys, in today's video, let's learn how to make a welcome channel on Discord. So if you are currently using Discord and you have created your new channel on there, how do you necessarily create a welcome channel so that new users will be welcomed as soon as they hop onto the channel? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys just how, so please watch until the end. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and switch over onto our PCs over here by launching on our Discord application. So I'm going to go ahead and switch right now, and as you see, I'm going to have Discord currently launching in the background. Alright, so once Discord has already successfully launched, I'm going you to go ahead and choose the specific server that you want to add a welcome channel to. Okay, so we have this newly created server right here, and I'm going to go ahead and basically tap on this plus icon over here on text channels. That is going to allow me to create a channel. I'm going to go ahead and tap on this create text channel, and I'm going to also add a channel name. Let's add maybe let's new, or let's just make a fake name like MSI grad UI. Okay, and let's tap on create channel once you're done with that. Of course, once you have done this, of course, the next step that we should obviously do is to tap on the edit channel. As you see, we can actually now change the specific settings of this channel through here, but basically all of the default stuff is going to be good for us, and we don't really need to change much over here on this specific channel. What we need to do, though, is to tap on our browsers, and I want you to download or add the MEE6 bot and search it on Google. And we do have this MEE6 bot over here for our Discord, and this is what we will utilize to have that welcome message as soon as new users step into our Discord channel or Discord server. Let's go ahead and tap on add to Discord, and of course a new pop-up will pop up on our screens. And if you do have your Discord application or rather Discord account already logged in, you will not have any issues with this. But for those who have not yet logged in their Discord accounts, you will be prompted to log in first. I'm going to go ahead and now tap on authorize as soon as I have already logged onto my Discord account. And I am going to, of course, be redirected onto here. I'm going to go ahead and also choose the channel that I want to enter the MEE6 bot onto, so that, of course, new users will be welcomed. And I think it's this third channel, but let's double check. Okay, it's the second channel. So let's go ahead and add it onto this channel over here. And let's go ahead and choose the server. Okay, that is going to be the server. Let's go ahead and continue and authorize this bot. Let's also confirm that we are human. And should be already entered onto the server. So as you see, we have a pop-up notification right here in the lower corner, and it should also be entered onto our Discord server already. Now, as you see, we do have the MEE6 bot already onto our server. Alright, so let's actually go on over onto our Discord MEE6 bot dashboard over onto the website. So this is going to pop up basically as soon as you add your MEE6 bot over onto your server. A new tab onto your browser will pop up showing you the MEE6 dashboard. And what I want you to do is, of course, select your server that you have the MEE6 bot added. And we do have this hot pink server, which is the server that I'm currently editing. Okay, so that is perfect. Next, of course, I want you to go ahead under server management. Under here, we do have this section called welcome and goodbye. I want you to tap on that and activate welcome and goodbye. And as you see, once this is already activated, you could also enable this send a message when a user joins the server. And that is going to allow you to, of course, enable a message to be sent onto that specific server or channel when a user comes in. I'm going to go ahead and select the channel name that I just created a while ago, and we can now enter the default message that the bot will send as soon as a new user joins the server. As you see, this is the template or the preview of what it should look like. We can also have some customized welcome cards, but it does require a premium subscription. But for this, obviously, this is going to be enough for this simple tutorial. I'm going to tap on save right here. And whenever a user joins our server, of course, it is going to send them a quick welcome message over here on this channel right here that I just created. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.